What's going on, YouTube peeps and barbecue freaks? Thank you guys for stopping by. Now, I don't know about you, but I constantly get tagged on Facebook by people who will repost a recipe and say, hey, check this out, or you really should try this out. Most of the times, I will take those recipes, save them, and attempt to try them later. And that's actually what I'm going to do today. I'm not even sure exactly what I'm going to call this, other than to say we're going to call it a stuffed burger dog, stuffed burger hot dog. And all it is we're going to take some, I'm using Colby Jack cheese. We are going to slice this lengthwise. I'm going to take some ground beef. We're going to wrap the ground beef around the cheese, throw it on the Weber, hit it with some rub, some smoke. Once it's done, we are going to put in a hot dog bun. So it's going to be essentially a hot dog, really more of a mix between a Juicy Lucy and a hot dog. Very simple, very few ingredients. I saw this, I thought it looked really good, really simple to do for a weeknight. I think the kids would love it if you're someone with kids. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's get started. Alright, so I've got some of the ground beef laid out here. I've got the block of cheese here. I just cut lengthwise. I'm not going to show all of them. I'm just going to do a couple of them. So really quickly, I'm using 8 ounces of cheese and 1 pound of ground beef. This should yield me for hot dogs, if you will. So I am going to use this cowlick steak rub from Dizzy Q. Hit this ground beef. This is some good rub. Really good rub. Take that right over the top. Just kind of fold this over. Okay. Just like that. And then I'm going to close off the ends. Make sure there aren't any gaps in here. You got to really make sure you seal it up, or else that cheese will start to spew out once it starts cooking. Close that end up here. Push that under. And that's pretty much it. See what that looks like here. And this will fit perfect inside a hot dog bun. Now I am going to hit it with some more rub all the way around. I'm gonna get the rest of these put together just like this one, and then we'll take them out to the Weber, get it fired up, get them cooked up, and that should be it. Make sure you don't have any gaps in there or any holes. That cheese will leak out. That's it. Let me get the rest of them made up and we'll head outside. I just wanted to show you really quickly what they look like when they're all done. I've got 4 of them here. Again, that was 8 ounces of block cheese and 1 pound of ground beef. I hit them with the Dizzy Q rub. We're gonna head outside, get them on the pit. All right, I got the burger dogs on right there. Got a piece of oak and a piece of pecan. We're gonna close this up, let it run. The vent, top vent about halfway open, bottom vent's all the way open, and we'll pick back up in a bit. All right, so these have been cooking indirect for about 40 minutes, and then moving them right over the flame just to charm up a bit. And then we're going to take them off and take them inside. Burgers are done, our dogs are done. I'm going to toast up some of these buns really quickly, and and then we'll get to assembling. All right, this bad boy is done. That's what it looks like. I just put some ketchup and mustard. Look how good that looks. Yum. Now let's give it a taste. Here we go. Look at it. Yum. Salud. You know, it tastes just like a burger. That Dizzy Pig rub was excellent. Very simple, extremely easy. Perfect for a weeknight meal, like I mentioned earlier. If you have kids, I think the kids would absolutely love this. Just full of all that cheesy goodness on the inside. Not too shabby. So, I know Brother Lyle did the same recipe and just put up his video, or is about to put up his video. He can attest that this is pretty good. So, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I did not do a Taco Tuesday this past week. You know, it was Saturday, Sunday, Monday cooking. So, just didn't get around to it. But it's not gone forever. It'll be back next week. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you give this a try. Extremely simple, and I think you're going to enjoy it. Take care.